In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend a filed tax return in TurboTax. If you've already submitted your tax return and later realized that something needs to be corrected, like income, deductions, or tax credits, TurboTax gives you a guided way to make those changes. The amendment process is designed to help you update the return you already filed rather than starting over, which can save time and help reduce mistakes. To begin, log into your TurboTax account and open the filed return you want to fix. Make sure you're selecting the correct tax year and the return that actually needs the correction. This is important because any amendment has to be made to the exact return that was originally filed. Once you're inside that return, scroll down until you find the section called Your Tax Returns and Documents. In that area, look for the option to amend or change the return and select it. TurboTax will then move you into the amendment workflow. At this point, the system usually creates a working copy of your original filed return so your updates can be made properly through the amendment process. From there, follow the guided steps carefully to update the information that changed. This might include correcting income that was reported incorrectly, adding a missing deduction, or adjusting a credit you were supposed to claim. As you move through each section, take your time and review the details closely. The goal is to change only what needs to be fixed, while keeping the rest of the return accurate and consistent with what was originally filed. TurboTax will walk you through the updates and help prepare Form 1040X, which is the official form used to amend a federal tax return. When you reach the end, review everything one more time before submitting. Even a small change can affect your refund amount or the balance you owe, so it's worth checking the final summary carefully. After that, print or e-file Form 1040X, depending on the options available for your return. If printing is required, make sure you follow the filing instructions provided by TurboTax. If e-filing is available, complete the submission steps as prompted on screen. And that's it. By opening your filed return, selecting the amendment option, updating the necessary details, and submitting Form 1040X, you can correct your return in a clear and organized